Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Is rice bran good for you? Today let us know about its goodness, the ways to use it in your meals, and the right technique to eat them. Let us start. The rice grain's outer layer is the bran, and it comes with several health and medicinal benefits. It is a good source of magnesium, vitamin B6, iron, and fiber. Rice bran is extremely popular in Japan and several parts of Asia and is good for the treatment of diabetes. It can cure high blood pressure and cholesterol. The component is essential to treat colon and stomach cancer. You can use the bran to avoid diseases of the heart and blood vessels. Rice bran is perfect for strengthening immunity, to improve the athletic performance and function of the liver. Rice bran contains 22.2% of phytosterols, which reduces the risk of heart diseases and maintains cholesterol level. Now let us see the positive points in rice bran. Rice bran acts as an antioxidant, and people suffering from skin allergy can directly apply the bran paste on the skin, as it is the best solution for those suffering from eczema. Rice bran is the preferred food component for people suffering from high blood sugar. Moreover, it is beneficial for obesity and hypersensitivity. Rice bran includes a substance known as phytine that reduces calcium absorption and prevents formation of kidney stones. It can prevent stomach cancers. It is a great source of dietary fiber. It is good for digestion and intestinal problems. It is fat-rich and helps you feel full for long. Rice bran is good for weight loss. Consumption of rice bran prevents bloating and gas. Rice bran helps to reduce bad cholesterol level. It can be directly applied on the skin for allergic skin rash. Now let us see how you may use rice bran. Take 1 tablespoon of rice bran and mix it with 1 cup of water. Drink it once in a day to get optimum benefits. You can also add it to your breakfast cereal, smoothies or delicacies. However, excess rice bran intake can lead to disturbed bowel movements and can cause stomach discomfort and intestinal gas. Also, be careful before the application of the bran on the skin, which may lead to skin irritation and redness. In addition, safely swallow the bran as it may cause choking due to the fiber present in it. It may interact with your medications, so it is preferable to take the bran after 1 hour of consumption of medicine. I hope the information of rice bran is clear to you and would start including the same in your meals because of its plausible benefits and remain healthy. Thank you.